Description of a good deed bandit.
Hey guys, this is Skull Rider here, and I'm going to be coloring a snowman right there with my bare fist. And yeah, so here we go. First of all, you want to punch him in the torso right in this area, and then punch him in the head, and then kick him, and then kick him right there. And that's how you kill a snowman, with your bare fist. And peace out, my Skull fans.
Well, I caught my